Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 15, 2015. We're going to take a look at a stock today that is just getting absolutely slaughtered on the charts, and that's Seagate Technologies. So right now you're going to see that this is a disk drive maker. Stock is getting hammered, trading down to its September lows. But guess what? When you get a decline from a pivot high like this and you sell off at this kind of volume, it is going lower. So let me show you how I find the level of support where you could get into Seagate for a trade. Now, everything that falls will eventually get a bounce. That's just what markets do. But this time around, when you look at this stock, it has gotten hammered and really has been selling off since late 2014 when it traded nearly $7 a share. You can see the big fall that it's had. So now we know that we're coming up to levels where the stock is probably going to find some fair value, but it is still lower from here with this big engulfing candle. So what I like to do is sometimes I like to go back to a bigger time frame. And in this case, I'm already looking at a weekly chart, so I'm going to now move over to a monthly chart. And what you'll see here is the big pivot low before the stock broke out was all the way down here at $37. So right off the bat tells me that we need to look at that level, 37 bucks. So first off the bat, we've got to go right to the 37 level. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to stop at 37, but what we're going to look at is the last time that the stock broke out was right here in this high pivot candle that I'm going back to all the way from August 2012 was around 35.70. So that tells me this is where we're going to look right now in this stock for a bounce level. It's going to be between 37 and 35. If I could pick a level, I'm going to give you 36 bucks. So if you want to get into Seagate for a trade, it's right at $36. We could eliminate all of these two lines. Just take the two important support levels or the two important breakout points. That's where stocks like to trade back down to. Look at 36 bucks. 30 might even be a little pierce. Give it about a $2 stop loss. But that's where you could look to get into Seagate, right around 35.50, 36 bucks. That should be your level. Now, what kind of bounce can you get? Well, generally, when you have a fall from 70 all the way down to $35, stock has been cut in half. So, you could easily see a $5 bounce. You could easily see a $6 or $7 bounce. But once you're in the money by, 2 or 3 points, that's when you would want to protect it with a stop at break even. You might even want to take a little bit off the table and lock in some profits. But that's up to you. Again, money management is a whole different animal. Right now, I'm just showing you how to find the buy point on a stock like this that is falling so sharply today. So when Seagate gets down to around 35, 36 bucks, that is your trigger to get long for a bounce play, which we call a swing trade. So if you'd like to trade this and other stocks, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center. You get all of our nightly cycle work. You'll get all of our swing trade setups. You'll also get our No Hype Live broadcasts each and every night. In fact, tonight at 5:15 p.m. we are holding one. I will be hosting that No Hype Live broadcast where traders get to come over. They get to ask us questions about individual stocks, trades that we're in, trades that we're looking to get into, and a whole lot more. So again, all of this is included in the research center. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing there. All right, everybody, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's trade lesson. And once again, we will see you on the charts.